Alright, YouTube. I officially have finished this trailer. If you're wondering why that's not painted, it's probably because I'm gonna paint it later. The focus was this part for now. And I got my video camera back. Yay, right there! JVC quad proof 60 times zoom. It's probably about 3-4 years old now. Anyway, I videoed some of that with, well, it's a long day. It is after 7 o'clock. So, forgive me if I'm stuttery and having multiple brain farts at one time. It's been a long day. I think 12 hours is probably good. Anywho, that will probably end up on YouTube as well, but I don't know, maybe we'll video edit it and combine it with something else. So, got it painted. Come out pretty good. 6 cans of paint. It's pretty glossy. Doesn't help. Got the super bright LED light shining. The cross member turned out pretty nice in there. Got it all painted up, if I can get it. And the bar. Yeah. Let's see if I can get a good close up here. See if this thing will cooperate with me. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, excuse me, got hiccups for some reason. Oh yeah, quite a bit of work replacing that plate. I mean, it could have gone faster, but since it's a Lowboy, I wanted everything welded very, very nice and sturdy. And that piece of short pipe in the center there, that guy, that's schedule 80, 1.5" ID. And then this rod, that is 1.5" OD. Solid stock cold rolled for extra durability. And let's see what else. So basically had to replace from here over, join the two, welded it really nice and hot. Got a new piece of steel in through there, put this foot or leg back on, added a piece of 1/2" steel to the bottom. You can see right there was the bottom, and I added this 1/2" piece of steel there. So, I don't know if you can tell by my thumb, the thumb's about 1 inch, so yep. And that'll help get the trailer up off the ground just a little bit more. I live in Montana here. Roads are pretty rough in places we go, construction wise. Always dragging bottom with a Hitachi 270 or a Komatsu 290. Pretty much the same in weight for machines. So, yep, got that back on there. This bar is, oh, what is that, 3/16, I believe. That's all new. The box is new, 3/16, or no, 3/8, excuse me, 3/8, 2x2 square tubing, 3/16 wall. The pin is original. This is a piece of channel, 3/16 wall, along with this channel, 2" wide, 3/16 wall. Had to cut both those off and redo it, because after putting that plate on the bottom there and the leg tucked up, the bar didn't quite come to center. The original hole was in the center, and I didn't feel like drilling another hole beside it. They were way too close, and I think they were touching. So anyway, just lopped it off, put on a new one. Same thing done there, put on a new one, re-drilled the hole. All that and the holes were wore out from all the years. I think this thing's a 2001 focus camera. There we go, 01. So 17 years of use. The holes got pretty wobbled out. Focus again, you son of a biscuit eating salamander. And borrowed my wife's label maker, which should have been returned days ago. And these lines here, both air and electrical, plug into the deck of the trailer when it's here, and it plugs in right there. And thus why there is clamps there, because guys have forgotten to unhook them when separating the front of this off the Lowboy deck. Kind of ripped the lines and pulled the plug wires out. So maybe this will help remove air electrical lines before separation. Maybe they'll read that when they're operating the hydraulic foot and running the motor. Oh, which reminds me, gotta take that tape off of there. And some things I taped over, like the operation, how to use it, which is pretty much anybody could use this thing. It's pretty simple. Where to put a load if you have a load, small load but heavy. Put, yay, 40 liters, or I don't know what the L is for. Hello, focus. Thank you. There we go, YouTube. I'm sure you'll actually like to see what I'm videoing. So, yeah, come out pretty nice. Went a little overboard with the paint. Didn't have to paint all of this crap on the side. Really just had to paint that bar and that cross member and maybe some of the hooks on the bottom there. But yeah, painted the inside all the way around. 6 cans of paint. This up here. Oh, let's get a better view here. This here. Focus again. There we go. That is correct. So that's why it's not painted. That one's cracked. That one's cracked. And that's what I got written there. That's just how far from the top deck here. From the top deck down. Took my digital calipers there and measured what the drop is so I know what piece of plate to plate in there and then even it out. But yep, they're basically all cracked. Well, this one, that one, yeah, if I can stretch, I don't think is cracked. Oh yeah, it is. It's cracked at the top there. So that's where the hydraulic ram goes, right in there. One ram there, one ram there, which are both sitting right here. Got them capped off so they don't ooze everywhere. But that's the 2 rams, which go to the foot, which is over here somewhere. Where's that foot? Oh yeah, it's underneath that bag. There's part of it right there sticking out, which you can see is all bowed. So I'm going to get a 1/2 inch plate. I'm going to extend it out past the width and the length of that foot pad. Probably good 3 or 4 inches all the way around. Add a little surface area there. And yeah. So having a brain fart. So the foot doesn't sink into the ground when we're trying to get the trailer unhooked from the front of the gooseneck. So, okay, well that concludes that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate and subscribe to my channel. I've been watching YouTube forever and gotten a lot of things. Well, let's see. Let's flip this thing around and see if we can't get a better view. Where do you do that at? Huh. Huh? I used to be able to flip around. There's the camera button. Oh, is it down here? No? Huh. Okay, anywho, I guess I won't do it while it's on video. So, alright, yeah. Don't forget to rate. Let's see if I can... I'll just do it that way. That is what I look like. So anyway, don't forget to rate to my channel. Subscribe wherever I'm gonna put it. Somewhere in that corner, that corner, that corner, or maybe even that corner. Who knows? So we'll see how things go. I feel like I would it'd be a good idea to contribute back to YouTube since I've gotten so many things off of there, and it's actually really helped me quite a bit. So I'm pretty good at what I do. Not gonna brag, but pretty good at metal fabrication and whatnot, and definitely good at automotive. Been doing it for, well, pretty much fixing and breaking my mom's car is how I learned, and just over the years, just taking stuff apart and putting it back together, and you figure out how things work, and got a pretty good memory for that. So yeah, started off with the cars, and then of course got into bigger trucks, got my CDL, started driving in 98, 99, and had a little time off here and there, but I'd say 15, 16 years been driving. Now I'm with a company that needs my help working on them, so yeah. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I am going to, since I got the camera laying over there on the toolbox, let's see if I can switch hands, getting tired. I am going to try to do some time-lapse videos so you guys can actually see step-by-step process of what I do and how I'm doing it, and hopefully it's informational. So alright, thanks for watching. Not going to bore you to death all day talking. Alright, thank you.